Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Paneer Lollipop. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh paneer, which you can grate or crumble. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped vegetables, like colorful bell peppers, for added texture and taste. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and your favorite spices, such as red chili powder and garam masala, to build those delicious flavors. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your grated paneer, chopped vegetables, ginger garlic paste, and all your chosen spices. To help bind everything together, add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it all thoroughly until you achieve a consistent, dough-like texture. Once mixed, take small portions and gently shape them into uniform balls, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter, ready for the next step. Next, we'll prepare our lollipops for frying. First, dip each paneer ball into a light cornflour slurry, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, roll these coated balls in breadcrumbs, pressing gently to create a nice, even layer for that perfect crispy texture. Heat oil in a pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the lollipops into the hot oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious paneer lollipops. Once fried, carefully insert a small lollipop stick into each golden brown ball. For a fresh and vibrant touch, garnish them with some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Serve these delightful lollipops immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like a spicy mint chutney or a sweet chili sauce. Enjoy this fantastic, easy-to-make appetizer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.